Hi, today I'd like to show you how to find the correlation coefficient of a scatter plot. The correlation coefficient measures the strength of a scatter plot. So in order to do this, you want to enter the data into list 1 and list 2. So we go to Stat Edit, and this is where we enter our data into the lists. So I've already pre-entered some data here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get the equation for the line. So we go to Stat, Calc, arrow over to Calc, and then I choose number 4, LinReg. Depending on your calculator, you might have a menu here, but you just press Enter until the equation shows up. So you have your slope and your y-intercept. Now you can see on my calculator, I actually don't have the correlation coefficient on here, and that's because my diagnostics are not on. So what I need to do is turn my diagnostics on. So to do that, you go to the catalog, and the catalog is under second 0. You can see it says catalog there above the 0, and you have to scroll down until you get to diagnostics. You only have to do this once, and once you do it, it's done. You never have to do it again. Almost there. There it is. So there's a diagnostics off and diagnostics on. So I'm going to turn my diagnostics on by pressing Enter, and then you press Enter again, and it will say done. Now if I get the equation of my line again, Stat, Calc, number 4, Enter, there it is. So you can see here, R is my correlation coefficient, and this correlation coefficient is rounded to 0.65, which would represent moderate strength, moderate positive strength. Anything above 0.7 to 1 would be considered strong, with 1 being the strongest. And then anything from 0 to 0.3 would be considered weak, with 0 being the weakest. And then those numbers are the same on the negatives from 0 to -1, with -1 being the strongest negative correlation.